Hello, everyone. My name is David Deitsch, an architect in our ITOM Center of Innovation. I'm here today to talk to you about my first Agentic AI ITOM use case. In a previous part of my career, I used to be a network manager, and sometimes we would have to look for pieces of the network by MAC address, or look for things that were on the network by MAC address. An asset manager would be sent to the campus where that gear was supposed to be located. And then if they were lucky, they could get a hold of me or my team to help them locate where that gear was by MAC address. But that asset manager couldn't actually use the network tooling to help them. I thought of this use case when I came up with this agentic AI use case. I said, what if we could put that tool in the hands of anybody, somebody who needed it right away? Let's find the MAC address for A all the way through A2 and see if we can use the data we have to help them and AI agents. At the start of the task, my AI orchestrator is going to select the agents available and put them in the right order to complete this task. The first agent to be used, and probably the most complicated, actually looks at the data in the ServiceNow CMDB to find where this MAC address might be that we're looking for. This might also be done with a zero data copy strategy. We'd want to architect this correctly for each use case. If I look at the result that came back, I can see I was actually able to locate that MAC address 4 times. Sometimes it was on a trunk, but one time it was on an access port. My next agent was able to look up the location of the switch on which that access port was because it had identified it as the most likely location. And then finally, I'm able to report back to my user that the MAC address has been found on a certain switch, and that switch is located at my house in my lab. I hope this quick demonstration has put together how agentic AI on the ServiceNow platform can help with your use cases and save you immense amounts of time. Thank you so much. Have a great one.